We built the reaction race with one thing in mind: speed. Well, okay, maybe three things: speed, comfort and versatility. Stealth dropper post compatibility means you can upgrade without spoiling the reaction race's clean lines. For example, with a buttery smooth RockShox Judy fork featuring black stanchions, powerful hydraulic disc brakes and Srams wide-ranging 1x12 Eagle GX transmission, the reaction race is all set to take on whatever you care to throw its way. It's a bike that feels as good out on the trail as it does on the race course or city streets. And we reckon that's a winning formula.